Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we'll be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of July. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we'll be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of July, and I wanted to start off this video by telling all of you thank you so much for your support and love. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I recently went on a vacation back in June, the late part of June, and basically my boyfriend and I did a staycation on Maui. And then on my Instagram, I did update you guys on a few photos and videos of our stay. But at the end of everything, my boyfriend did finally propose to me and we are now engaged. So that's something I am looking forward to, is the wedding in the future. So that's where my mind has been, but I'm so very happy that we are now engaged, and I couldn't be happier than how I'm feeling right now. So thank you so much for everybody's love and support on my Instagram. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the cash stuffing. So today we'll be cash stuffing a total of $470. So here's my little cash breakdown. I have my short-term binder, my long-term binder, my on-the-go envelopes, and then I'll be cash stuffing my 100 envelope booklet that I have here. Okay, so let's go ahead and count out the cash. So all together we have 51, 52, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, and 470. Okay, so we are cash stuffing $50 bills and $20 bills. Okay, so my first binder is my short-term binder, and our first envelope is bills. So bills will be cash stuffing a total of $50. So altogether we have 50 and 70. Okay, and then golf will not be getting anything this time, but I do have 20, 40, 60, 80. I had more in this envelope, but I did use some on our vacation, and then we recently had a golf tournament this past week, so I used some of that for my envelope. And then beauty will be getting $20. Okay, and then this envelope was my anniversary envelope that I had saved up for the vacation. So now I can take out this envelope, and I'm thinking of making an envelope for a wedding. But I'm still thinking about it, but I think it would be a good idea to start saving a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, so I'll put that aside, and that does it for the short-term binder. And then here's our long-term binder. So emergency will be getting $20. Okay, so altogether emergency has 1, 50, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 520. So 520 for emergency. Next is car expenses, and car expenses will be getting $20. Altogether, 20, 40, 60. Next is Future. Future will be getting 20. So Future has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 340. Next is Gifts, and Gifts will be getting $20. So Gifts has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 130. Okay, next is Holidays, and Holidays will be getting $20. So all together we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So 120 for Holidays. Okay, Parents will be getting $50 all together. 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40. So $240 for Parents. And then Lucy, Dash, and Ollie will be getting $20. Let's see, like this. So altogether, 20, 40, 60, 80. $80. Okay, so that's the last envelope for my long-term binder. Next is my on-the-go envelopes, and you guys been loving these pouches. So I do have the glitter pink pouch and also the holographic ones. All right. So first is for myself. I won't be giving myself anything. Next is Eating Out, and Eating Out will be getting $40. So 20, 40. I kind of want to use the worn out bills first, so I can get rid of them. Okay, next is Groceries, and Groceries will be getting $50. Okay, let's see. All right, and then Households will be getting $20. Alright, so we stuffed all of my on-the-go envelopes. And lastly, we have my 100 envelope challenge booklet. So here's my little tracker, and thank you so much for all of you who were interested in this booklet. I did sell out of the pink and silver glitter one, but I still have in stock the clear and baby pink one and the black and gold booklet. But I don't have many left, so if you guys are interested or have been eyeing this up, I would, maybe put in your order soon because I only have a few left. Okay, but thank you so much to everybody who had purchased this, and I hope you guys are having fun, and also with the tracker and putting on your own sticker. So okay, so for the 100 envelope challenge, I will be stuffing number 98, so right here, and I will just be putting $250, so $100. Okay, there we go. And then number 19. Okay, number 19 is right here, and I'll just be putting in a $20 bill. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on the stickers. So All right, so we did number 98 out there, and we did number 19. There you go. All right, so we still have quite a few, but hopefully I'll be a little bit more consistent with stuffing the envelopes. But yeah, that's everything, and that's the end of my video. But thank you so much for all your love and support. And guys, we are, I believe, at 943 subscribers at the moment, so we're almost there to 1,000. So I'm hoping that soon, maybe this month, by the end of this month, my goal is to get to 1,000. But you guys been so amazing, and thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.